You know, it's the trend.
Ninga ni onokora content.
Apart. Content gumere.
We are going to get into that. Namusi aho bari kutureba rero tugere mu misho.
Yes, abakutureba amazina nbanyita Barija Isaac. Nka Bob Square abagambula. I work with the Butajira and Company Advocates, Shanghai Street, na shemerera kuija hano, TV West, ku sharing aningashi ku hentekate ko yanje Copyright and Neighboring Rights Act.
Okay. Reka tutandikire ku Karugongo.
Yes sir.
Itekere twabire twine, twire abuko batukugira ngo we building from scratch.
Yes.
I think in judging amendment ya kasha tushana. Abuko bayine ya road in 2006 wagarukamu and now finally. Gaps zabire zirimu ezi itekeri riyoreza ku addressinga omukora yito nziha.
So tutakatandikire na kureba iteka nka kuliri njena tubanze twamanya kiba kweta intellectual property.
Okay.
Mu intellectual property ni property omuntu yakole property niki
n'ikintu cyawe
nkitaka nkente nkemotoka konka ni property takubasa kwatubwa tokajikwata tokajireba konkero. So ni categories nyingi alo kiba kweta patents ninga ebintu nkabya technology ninga nkachiza
waburiyaho waja nkicho wa developing wahandika
utachane chile for it's more of like innovation.
Okay.
Ati jo newa kweta patent ati inejiba kweta geographical indications. Nka Uganda Waraji. Uganda Waraji is a geographical indication that it's born in Uganda. Unawaza heru. Someone talks about Uganda Waraji. You know that this is from Uganda. That's also geographical. It's part of intellectual property. Then inechiba kweta copyright. Copyright ati ni abantu bakumanya munongo. Ngu woine content ya waje creating. Oli omweshongozi, oli omhandiki, oli producer, oli performer, va stage, iwe no falling under copyright. Then inezba kweta neighboring rights. Ezonzi jena hamwe na copyright.
Copyright, yeah.
Ngu no of rights is what?
Well, ubugabishi, but in this case tubugabe.
But it's never kugenderaho abo atunga.
Yes.
For example, to be mentioned, let's say on a song produced by Barija Isaac.
Kugira ngo nakoreshe shongoro canje
mentioning
ngamba otachitera na ntaru.
Exactly. So iteka ya copyright and neighboring rights diritura konka. It's initially it was considered 2000 the Copyright and Neighboring Act 2006.
Yes.
Konka hati akara mu loopholes ninga shi ebintu byabire bitalumu. Mu Uganda abeshongozi ba Uganda ba performers ba Uganda compared to waza kubale kwajirajiranisa na naba same category of people who are in other countries. Kano shanganga aba Uganda bona boro ninga tuba benefiting
bakora bakoze isamani
ngakuna kugira ngo nyoti nkubasa content. That's how hard it is.
Yes.
You get, you enjoy the product but making it is hard. So bashanga baketero mulanga bazirangu ntukora waka witu konka tukubenefiting. So nko kuleta amendment age.
Yes.
So the good thing ninga chinshemize ngo hati parliament ka involving stakeholders
abarubo
abeshongozi abeshongozi ba hati abakare abakuzana film. So it was an amendment where people contributed. Kandi ekindi their past experiences ninga shi ebintu byabire beruho ebyenyumaho
ebitwarebere
exactly ebya influence ingire kushemezo mu itekeri.
Okay.
Yes.
Twantugamba loopholes.
Yes.
So nzonkaziha aho abantu babire ikitumira itekeri uri yenyine nanyize ngutura muri iyo process itumira abantu umurango wende batera nuguwa ne sente konka ninga harone kiri kurengaho
ine kikurengaho esente but the chairman munonga it's a sente
yeah.
Because twaza kuconcludinga ningashi kuchendera ejini business nk'omuntu tarayeshongore busha ningatinda akora ikintu just ndikukora busha so at the end of the day it's business ekyakabiri ine kibakweta moro ningashi you know, it's something that you feel satisfied within you unakora ikintu kirungi naba rewarded so nashemerwa
kandi ekinatunga nikijwana nekimpire yo
exactly so na nejo element ero then ndijo element neyo kugira ngo nikikinasigira abana banje ningashi abijukuru
in simple terms umuntu areke gumana yeshongora ninga akakora nka TikTok nkomurimo kumukashanga atakabasa kugura gabana beyi bakagira icyo bayihamwe
yes so I don't katanchirali jo point ngo initially itekeri abire ruho bikata ku favoringa ba artists in a way that you not artist nkeshongora kanje kunkantine sente zo ka producing bob zokano basa kwija onje nyo naza kutamu sente kunkwa akeshongoro nakanje nishongora
irakaneri yawe
buri kimone cyanje kunka ownership ni wajini ati iteka erukuru ryo ndukandi kwereza bugabe kukorecho kunka ati iteka risya amendment ensya etireho licensing nguni nko license for only 20 years 20 years kuzuko ownership reverts back to me the author
so aho icyo kigendere kugira ngo nabanye nkora waka yanjeje maybe ntari kwebasa nkakutunga okanta mwaka center ko nituba ntwandike ndagano tujye kwikirizana tukitwaza
so that is also another element that all agreements is concerning copyrights and neighboring rights they have to be written ngutwino kubahandika. In absence of that, you're in a breach. Nakushangura kutera keshongoro kanje
tutishirizine
n'umushango kandi noza kunshashura
kukita
kukita but before we talk about that inechinijuka kandi kiri important mnonga copyright for it to be protected under the Copyright and Neighboring Rights Act, it does not need to be registered. Immediately I come out with a song nketera keshongoro sound kashoholeti ninga kahandika katabo kanje up to the end
kaskit kanje
ninga kahandika skit yanje
nkazana TikTok
yanje
yes
kikweta adisanywe kubanza kujiregisteringa na URSB kugira ngo I benefit from the act. Immediately my content comes out ninga shi content yanje yaheza kushoholeti it can be protecting automatically.
Okay.
So that is the beauty about it.
Yes.
It does not need registration. But registration is important for you to get a better package. Nani nyenda kutunga loan mu bank. Nimbasa kusinga yochi byeshongoro byanje. So you see, if I am a content creator and I have a good following, ninkwata certificate yanje ya content ngisinga mu bank.
Ndiranti mware bamwama nyundi muntu wa TikTok
kakali akeshongoro bank na jitenko
aboko bank nemanya ngu
it has value.
Oh yes, what ashashwire ni unit ngasintu mukeshongoro ka
yo it has value.
Yes.
Ekindi kiri element yo kugira ngo fines ati bazonjizi emitango mu currency point bakushanga in breach
wabushobize.
Yes. It's 2000 currency points. 2000 currency points ino manyiteka tibakutaho sente ngo million because of fluctuation.
Yes.
Kungati mbakosa currency points. So currency points 2000 multiply by 20,000 izo nizinga
million
because each currency point emene mitwale ebiri. So you multiply 2000 times 20,000. So you're fine. Yo kubasa kushashura nka penalty.
Yeah. Okay. So hati teka twazagamba haburu kukwata.
Yes.
Haburu ashangene rukwata.
Yes.
And it might surprise some of you. Nibonka ba habarashangwe bakwata itekeri.
I'll begin with TV West.
TVs
Kanda na TV West ndi kongana sinachikosa ka example.
Yes.
So I mean there are broadcasting agencies, TV West, radios, and other broadcasting agencies. Ezo nizo first victims because most of our marketing ningashi esente nyingi ntuzitunga because of the entertainment zitukutayo haliya.
Yes.
So neza ku we are the first victims of this. I don't want to call it, allow me to use victims. Ningashi abantu tekalo akwate first because it's where people go to listen, to watch content. Abakabiri ni twenkabantu. Ngu omusumi yanjeji nyine mebyeshongolo. Bina download njire. Konka mukama yotara tinika mshashwiri.
No manya na no buchira hati no bubaresire
na content a TikTok jina downloading asimu yanje tana ajishashura
tuwajishashura na nija kushobora kugira ngo twine enshongero hati twine za streaming platforms eziriko manywa konka abanya Uganda tebakazaho kugira ngo bene yihegera ki ekeshongoro somehow ntukunda kuciya hand ushangunja ja TV shongo byanje biri ame Spotify na n'izindi konko shanga abantu bakuzayo na nego ekeshongoro acitunje ari ukurabe mu hande ndijo so hata itekani yandi mukwata
ndi mukwata because now that is piracy nguyiba
interesting
kandi manyiwe nibasa kome myaka 10 ninga nshira fine ya currency points ya 12.
Yes.
So the law is now harsh. It's protecting the artists. Kakuna kujanya you think basa kola content. It is the same thing. Ngu oliyo muntu wakole kintu kye at least ka benefiting him. Yali omweshongozi ka benefiting echi muchi yakola.
Yeah.
Yes.
Echimwe ncho kiri kumanyisa ngu abana batwene bakora TikTok batabitire mu echa professionalism.
Yes.
Ahantu ho bakuchimanyira ngu this what they've been doing n'ekintu kibasa kubatunga ekibara kubasa kwira makasente.
Yes.
In that case itekeri iruwa gamba omuntu naza kwebuza tashi TikTok yanje byeshongoro byanje n'ebindi birinke ebyo naza kutandika ntati kubanja is there any other instrument ekuza kurugayo bakashobora ukurira bende ukora ninga atekashije umuntu yaza kucera kare ayija ha TV West ajeti ndebe n'umutereke shongoro canje therefore mu shashuri nereza kubanera ukora reta at that level
alho regulations iteka ambar categorizing omulundi ebiri ine kibakweta act of parliament hategere bill copy amendment the bill kunga president kala heze gisigning eza kuba act when act ne primary uninga shi the most important
step
the most important part of legislation.
Yes.
Ejo ni bakweta act then ine kibakweta legislation ni secondary law when ne haman gayo omuliyeri iteka so kirinka kugira ngo eri motoka konka etine mpatsism etine muka engine
twine frame
twine frame so ezi regulation age nyero kujihereza flesh ningashi omubiri operating.
Okay.
So ezi regulations zitwageza ngo iteka ati ndiyo ndijira let me give kambe practical ineziba kweta orphan works. Orphan works ne byeshongolo just in example byeshongolo byakalebi ebitine mukamabyo you don't know the author konkano lewa byeshongozi bahati nbagarukamu especially the gospel artists they get these old songs
hymns
like hymns you don't know the author of the hymn, you know those hymns that don't have the author.
Yes.
Now those are called orphan works.
Ezo umuntu atakabasa kurugayo akachamune
hate zo ndibazita orphan works.
Okay.
Hate amendment yo negira ngo otaka galukiremo orphan work age banzo shabe minister for a license. So hate license wazo mu act to rajishangemo ninga format of applying term
teka shobokere
so a regulation ejibala akole minister no kujikola so minister kala ajikole ahone kola ki niyo to following so as of now it take at kabile complete konka
the most important
step is now done.
Okay.
Yes.
Waza kubatira kachi akatanda chikanasha tuncheteza rigumirisha ishatu umujyi wanje ne Council Isaac Barije tugezaho kushoborokerwa ebyiteka area copyright kandi tutanganije mu cyubara kweta intellectual property ashitwagira ngo umuntu nguko kucera kare ukagenda ukaza kwigura duka umuntu nakera kare akwataka cumu ahandika script yeye ati TikTok yangeza kuba nedireti kandi genderoche nukugira ngo ahemo akasente twashanga ngo ahansi yitekeri baza kushanga abantu abarukora ebi bintu bitari na bimwe bitwagamba yaba no kwandika bitaba no kuzana film yaba no kwishongora yaba nici nabasa kubirya nabasa kushabarona abene byo yasinga abo kubana byakozere kandi byo bimutungire konkare katumure kutwagaruce tuzagumiza mu nitushoborokerwa turebe na mununga aspect abako barabanta kugira ngo wari ba government yazo mu kintu government na okwekurondo kwera direta nayo kwera task government yo ne ganyirwa cyonka government itekeri ryabarjiriho nabo kugira ngo ne bayatereza ya sanitizing entertainment space ninga harwe chin there's more than meets the eye kutaraje mukaho mu Royal TV West takargaho. My name is Bob Zumji wanje na Council Isaac Barije. We'll be right back.
Mama, only don't tell.
Ile sanyo lingi nnyo.
Banange
MTN beyanziza.
Tata omwana ogenda mugambako oba wali wano.
Taliwo.
Sente zembadde ngenda okusasula ku school fees z'omukulu zigenda kunyambako okuweerera batoobe abalala ababiri. MTN mama ngenkoledde kinene ngasinga omumaamu sirijjerabira obulamu bwange bwonna.
Ngenda kusibira kusasula school fees nyiga star 155 star 80 ashi sasula school fees ngokozesa momo school funds masomo tugenda zigaba osobola okwewola waliwo school fees loan genda ofune loan oba tolinawo sente ozisasule mu bbanga mpola mpola obulamu butamulenga buli koona.
Mjezi wanje tabaruka yo mukahumura kwa kutamba twine Oriha TV West program neshonga yizoba kandi neshonga yizoba mubazi yugu nitureba ahabyiteka area copyright neighboring rights onkoku babasakwana batushoborera eri abanyishengero bahingwize kandi ubwe batutegerize ngo president ariteho omukono tugezeho kurushoborera abantu kugira ngo muricenge kuri gukora no mu bintu bitari mu nabimwe twaza kuzumuka humuro Isaac kanagenda kuburize government ahabwenche in interest omunanke ejege omutebe kanseje
cyo kubanza no mu gwa government okuleba ngo stakeholders ningashi society ndio bana in a profession here it's regulated and everyone benefits. So no mu gwa government okuleberera abantu bayo. So kutereza omuitekeri government eri nerebera category y'abantu bayo. Ekya kabiri hine kiba kweta tax base. Ningashi omushoro gwa omanya gwa government kuija konjeza omushoro at least ne increasing a tax base. Ningashi ebintu bye kubasa kuyihamwe senti ati no basa kushanga
kanyisa
options exactly. So and one of the avenues they are doing it ntima wao achino tisingire ngu by policy of Ministry of Finance are working with Uganda Registration Services Bureau, which is one of the best performing agencies of government. Nigezaho ku transitioning from informal sector to formal sector.
buri kimwe cyona
Everything has to be formal now, well documented. So one of the ways that actually URSB niye kupane neza kuba ne governing munonga
stakeholder mukuru
because complaints nyingi nza kuba
nozitwala bizuko
mu URSB tochitwala mu court. One of the challenges before was that if I had a complaint kuna in a complaint inkomweshongozi hati nkomushawo gwa questions gwiyatabalize Airtel jangu bakakosa keshongolo ke kola tunes akazo mu court konkano ma court is very expensive ekyakabiri haliyo backlog
emishango ni myinshi
konkati itekeri ndijira you can now go to you can petition the registrar general nawe asharemu mbweno neza kubanka
nerimuhereza
amani
yes
go ku determining whether there has been an infringement ninga shiba
bakugobize
bakushobize
bakwibire
ninga bakwibire kandi bakweta kukita hale ne
kugira umuntu bazinoza kukitwe kuri hirwe kwingana ziti
exactly
yeah
so no leba ngu URSB is one of the biggest players. So going back to the question of government tax base, so no leba ngu everything they are now formalizing it. Munichiza kweta tsanyo ko entering into contract with you. Agreement. And you know, let me give an example. TV West is a company. All agreements must be registered. So nza kuwasha nshashura stamp duty. Acha for an agreement to be binding or admissible in court or admissible as evidence, it has to be registered. So nakola endagano na TV West kanyewe MC Isaac ninga shi Isaac omweshongozi government neza kuba nemanya agreement jina akola neza kuba nemanya sente zina atunga kandi neza kuba nemanja omushoro gwenka income tax
akuwa watasi
kuba natasi anogomu lumugwa. But you see there's no problem with tax because now also the government has to pay people who are going to protect you for your content
and yes. Ekindi kinabanyizire ngu twatwagambira okache aha categories zose twazimareza abantu twagamba ahari TVs na broadcasting agencies abarayishange baba ba victims aza twagira ngu broadcasting agencies abandi basakwa baha
the individuals then we have hosts of functions. For example nani nembaga yanje nketa abenganda clan ningachi abeka bandi so abeka bandi it's one of the probable victims.
Mwene kugira ngo tukigambe umuntu ati noreba ntuzo mu bujenyi mushanga hari mu band tandike tere byeshongoro
yatera keshongoro ka kenzo atabahire license nyowe mukama w'ubujenyi na bandi twena twakola mushanga
so deka kubuze kibuza eshintechi nchiza kuhama muri Uganda abo kubi abanyuganda wabano reba kutwere ibintu byito could very different also kutwa ku benchmark ngo mahanga gatwetoriri is this system working bayino bakora.
Of course. Now when you look at Kenya, and you had given you an example of Kenya. Was Kenya, but content creators Kenya, they are very rich.
Never get
to Uganda. You see people like Tenge
Ranga
Tenge. He relocated to Kenya because the law in Kenya allows him to make money out of his content.
In protecting and murinda
Oshanga abeshongozo mu Kenya nkajagwa nkaba
rich guys.
Very rich, but they got their wealth mostly from let's say music first, then they reinvested in business. But you see they were able to benefit bakaganyura munongo music wabo akugira ngo iteka and bichiriza ku benefiting. Ekindi let me give also another example. You no leba beshongozi nko mu Nigeria nka Davido Ira Star n'aba yabandi
Rema
kuba exactly Rema kuba kuheza ku breaking through in music
ngamba manya
they relocate to Miami to the US. Why? Because the law in US allows them to benefit more than in Nigeria. He's relocating so that he can get more money. Business is about the law.
Yeah.
All. Whether it's in music, whether it's in real estate, whether it's in what, it's the law. So it take wabuzaje benchmarking. Uganda compared to Nigeria. Nigerians make more money.
Music
yao. Even in films. No film na Uganda bingi. Bonire. Mbabya na TV West nombuzana. Kongano oleba
mzano gwa kuchakole manya kashanku manya tujire mzano yitaha
ati kashanko gwe byabirale Nigeria kuna atunge sente nyingi compared to Uganda.
So that's why it country genderi kugira nkoko kumukunda na wobe na ganyirwa mumusha
utamureba ukamshanga boda te kashanko wenda kumshanga motoka nungi because and it's also to us inspire young people ngono wasa kushanga naza nka Nigeria umwana nombuza ati nonda kubaki na hujira me I want to be a sound engineer. I want to be a music producer. But in Uganda no shanga wagambro muzire munyenda kuba music producer na jangu kumana ya ndakusiskala because they are not seeing a future in it.
Yes.
But now the amendment ninge tekeri diondi jirangwa ogumuntu mogo abantu kubakola wakajiba kola content jiba college ne yamani munonga. So kandi bagikola nibasa ku benefitinga. So now the government is
benefit na bakashoro mushoro ikanganira ganyirwa mu
omoshongozi na yafa hati nana amanyango omwana wanje naza ku benefitinga yenera kija ya ishongolo keshongolo ani ali amanyi
akarmu ya tamuna kaya I think Wamala
Wamala.
Yes,
but you see now Wamala passed on. Now the challenge is that before the amendment itekere bataka simu ileho
kuri hindura ikiri yaza kuba
Wamala bueno if GNL was to redo the same song now it would be quite hard compared to before, because before it was easy. After a certain period of years, 50 years, a copyright now loses what? Bueno no neyabanka free. But according to the amendment now, 20 years, bueno your work remains alive. Munabijukuluza bona bali benefiting
bali
aliaho so that's the difference.
Harakandi kantu akabantu binji babene bagamba barukwenda kushoborokerwa. Let me support it to you. UPRS ejo no bajeta Uganda it's Uganda UPRS yes Uganda property
Uganda
Katuguruka it's all right.
It's UPRS
konkana tabindi muliona ajigama KPS maybe nikaza kuija along the way
but it is categorized as a collecting society. At collecting society ni nkechibina it is a company limited by guarantee nchimanisa tichine bwananyini chine mukamacho
kino kwasa kutulemenya mwinchi
mune chanje kuyaho nechibina echigita abantu abakola same works. Ngutwa tulya byeshunguzi ninga ba performers ekintu cyo kibina kitu ekitugata
nawe niwe yes
ekitulu
ekirukutugita
so ekyo kibina nicho kitubanjiza konka nchikora ba members bonka munandi omweshongozi nimbasa ku registeringa na neche kibina ngudani ne waka wanje ninge byeshongolo byanje UPRS niyekuba in license yabyo.
So maybe the appeals for performing Uganda performing.
Actually it is Uganda performing
rights society.
Okay. A performing rights society.
Because that's what you were explaining.
Exactly. Yes. So actually Chibina it is the law says it's only supposed to be one. Ngu collecting society ino kubemwe. Twatu chachi echebeshongozi titulagala iteka tiri kwicheza galaka creating a society ndijo yabeshongozi
kana tunoreba kimwe mite bya biteganisa abantu no kugira ngo umubwiro bagenzere haba muza bodies nyinje munonga okay
ezo za bodies ezo mbonu zilinka lobbying they are not standardized they are not the ones that they are not collecting societies okay they are just associations
yes
ngebi aba DJ
iyo kwegita
ningebyo kwegita ngatwa
kugira ngo bamanyane
bamanyane tulobi
mukoro umuntu gugumwe mugirira karahango
but legally they are not recognized
okay
maybe you know the law kakuna kugira ngo iteka ndigira ngo ejo collecting society no kubemwe as long as it's for musicians it has to be one.
Yes,
you cannot find musicians having like 2 or 3. It has to be one. UPRS maybe if UPRS dissolves there have to be another one. Then shanawa kuzana film aho bine yabo
eri kucenge byabo okay
abesho tubakwicheza kola more than one ninga abakuzana film tubichize kola more than one kuyo umuntu teka yanje kumbe ni teka ho ndizire what if we can use a loophole kugira ngo society age naye abeshongozi ba runyakole wakireba
kugira ngo
ababorenje bizoba there you can attempt there the register maybe it has not yet been tried out
nabasa kuchura
creating a society yanyu kaba Western Uganda
mu listing
uniqueness yanyu abwenchi tutabagito mu category ya UPRS
ekikubahinda wo mutano
niki so actually itekeri literirize one of the challenges zitubiye ntushanga Uganda performing right society ebiretine proper accountability ngabeshongozi abinaza kuchebera at the end of the year in him 10 ona shi eshongolo bintire mpeze mtwali 10 there's a time Palaso was complaining I don't know whether you want the story Palaso kija ya complaining ngo amiro tusente tuche ayeshongolo byona byakura na MTN netera kola twins you know waheza rights za society ejo niyo kubanehereza
niyo kugendeka banja niyo kutrackinga ekasheruriza
niyo ko nenda gano na nabandi hati TV West wano manya ngo Palaso is registered under UPRS you will not go to Palaso directly you go to UPRS and UPRS will sell you the catalog
yes
but Palaso's expectation ninga shibya kuteka muninza kuzo mu UPRS akasente kanje kuba bobs ninza kashanga concrete beta kashanga so yiteka jenze yagira ngo as collecting societies is zino kuba highly accountable ngo if it's a receipt proper books of accounts every after 3 months zino ku holding a meeting so ngo nani ne complaint yanje ninjireta so that is the improvement in the amendment.
Yes,
then how are the people in Western Uganda going to benefit? I think that one should be very important. Ekibuzo kiri important ngwite ba content creators ba Western Uganda abeshongozi ba Western Uganda aba actors ba Western Uganda nzaganyura bato muitekeri itekali ya creating a challenge yamani ngo upcoming artist ningo gumuntu atakumanya nchibasa kumuteganisa
ntiza naza kweshanga ariyo
naza kweshanga mbunde because hati TV West ninza kutina kutera keshongolo kawe
abo kuwa kumpa babira
ijukestera tekumanya hati neza kumanya tetine content ya wa radio tetine content ya wa TV neza kumanya kandi yonka TV West ntinire because who will listen to your music you not know
toka manyiro toka
chitiri
ekimwene chikumanyisa ngo itekari yaza kwenda protectingere abachitire hati ababari
aba bandi
bongere mu amani
namana wagonja machine baza kumanya bata
so in simple terms we have put a knee on your neck
but the solution is this.
Yes,
nyoni mba encouraging ngo that's where now the collecting society is coming as a UPRS ngo nyowe Rastadogo Ninja nda upcoming artist ni nakeshongoro kama chinda akole ninje nani registering na UPRS so UPRS niyo kunkorera lobbying
yes
nani nebo shongolo bwanji konkanchiri upcoming artist at least nimanya ngo TV West yaje na entering a contract na UPRS yagula catalog yanje yona
yes
so na najire ba TV erukutera tinkfayo sindikanye neza kukola ki neza katunga konkati TV West neza kutina katera naza yonko muntu kandi ekindi naza na TV West yanda ku enter a contract with me neza kumpa zingai naza kuja TV West tukuyamba buyamba
yes so hakuramuza
so in a way what the church tichibi konka it is necessary one it is going to encourage content creation nkandi nani nyeshongola ninza ku improvinga waka wanje ekyakashatu ngo it's encouraging also block negotiations joining organizations ninga societies nka UPRS ezira negotiating kandi echo nacho nchiyamba government okutracking sente zachi
akanagina nda kubuza eshazi tuzajana zistwara meanwhile haruho hatabeshongoza bari kwishongorera hero ninga batari banya Uganda
yes
ntutera music yabo hano so chimasa ngati twaza kubebesinga yaba tugireke tutere yabaheru ninga nabwe stili itekeri mwenu amendment age intention yayo ebiryo ku aligninga international treaties yes
na
protocols and instruments
kuzidomesticatinga ngu omoshongozi nka cautions yali Jamaica protection jaine Jamaica niyo protection emoja inachi
no muri Uganda
ninyo Isaac cautions ija kuchimangu ne music yasimu yanje ntarajisha shulile na sakuntabariza kanda singi
kugira ngo niye wabo rasta dogo kachitera
nkaza Jamaica
because already ukaruga ukashanga Jamaica na bata music ya utakuchimanya
because you see those international instruments mbonu ineche bakweta international instruments mbonu neriteka ya international law mu Uganda neza kuri signinga for example nka there is a treaty on it's called the Marrakesh Treaty anjironda briefly nakuba sure
let's look it up
tingo nakubahereza nankeje
konka ekituzo gizo kushobora no kugira ngo amateka gitu gashemiye kubana gajwana n'amateka kubagari yahandi so agwe nshongeje no shanga Uganda mwenda ngunimwe mwamwatira umukonandaga no kugira ngo ni twabeshongozi bitu ushange aboko ikintu cha ati ebyeshongoro tibyine mu tarimo bya borders apana eteshongoro kirunji it will just cross if it is nice music tari kugira ngo atesheshongoro umuntu we ahurira ikintu cha munurira natanekana because I can tell you countless songs ebistwire ntuzina netweshongora netutera hanu yabana babitera mu bandi bakoze ikiro kumanyisa
there are many treaties here I'm trying to look for the specific
iwaba no yenda
inani nyenda it is very important kandi nyero kuleta those songs also to be protected domestically
yango cyo muri Uganda chachiri Jamaica chiri protected cyo muri Jamaica chachiri ha muri Uganda chiri protected if we can't find it we can move on
it's okay but let me get it here. Let me get it please just bear with me bona abantu nimba nyenda tubahereze
ikintu ekiricho
zizi ineba kweta ban convention
yes
ate jo ban convention nyero kuhereza nyero ku protectinga all works internationally
and Uganda
ratified this treaty
yes
inejiba kweta the Marrakesh Treaty to facilitate access to the published works for persons who are blind munanogo muntu atakuleba empumi ngozi amendments mbone amendment age protecting bona abantu ezo treaties zona ngogo atakuleba atakuyija na content ye na ave protected then ban treaty munayishongola keshongolo kanje Jamaica kabe protected konkano shanga ngo muntu yashongola keshongolo konko mu Uganda abantu balemba tukalebaga umuntu ari kushindura biti
akazo mukeshongora akagira akacira akiya mu ebigambo
ntude mu beat ndiniyo kwatandise mu beat ati
akashamo mu ngoma
ande the bands treaty ndiniyo ku protectinga producer ati manyite keri kindi kirubonize world producer it protects three people the copyright producer it protects the author owahandikako eshongolo
abahandikye byeshongolo abo nebakira kurugira mwawo
ati manya abo bakamba batungira haliya neighboring rights you have to recognize me
kyonka ekyo abantu yakumva
nkebyo konka akasente abyo batakutunga
atakureba
konka ate akasente nikagira owahandika
ohandika ekyeshongolo
owakyeshongola nanowakiproducinga mu TV West yane shashura rasta dogo eno kushashura bob zo
wachadika na studio huyazi
studio producer Didi wakachenga
yes
nuko chiti
okay well our time is up konka iwe nkomuntu who consumes a lot of art
yes
mu categories zimwe na zimwe kwa kwano lebitekeri na nahabwa abana especially for the youth the Gen Z na nabandi what opportunities do you see ahabwa abana abayene batandika
one is not to lose hope that at least there is a law that protects your work ngo at least tuine kushemererwa kwinji tuine kushemererwa ngo at least twatungiteka ningiteka lyabonera kureba ngo twatandika ku benefiting ekintu kitukola ngo nija na ka sound ngo it was my dream to be in parliament ngakateko mu background ya content yayo bogu engineer wanara because you see that is also copyright you're using his sound to benefit
oyono rira nankaye
oyono rira sound ye
nakora kantu kakaba viral
ino kurya
ndiyeho
oye so this is a good opportunity to make money and also the world is evolving beyond tuzomu environment ya AI ngwira kalya bobzi nani ndimanya nkalikola mwechesho umuntu aja kunka bobzi let's assume you are an artist ngaka kakosa AI
manipulating
voice yawe occasion
yes because I know there's even a song echeshongoro cha Azawi na radio
so you see now that that voice it is you you get that is part of intellectual property someone has manipulated it. I'll buy a song thinking it's Bob singing so someone is benefiting so all those are avenues for us to make money munabana tumine kuba discouraging ngwale bomwana nanda kuba mweshongozi mu supporting wale mwana nanda kuba artist mu supporting wale mwana nanda kuba producer mu supporting wale kuleba mwana a songwriter mu supporting kandi chindi mmanya ngu obwiro okubulaho 20 years na yagolzera na keji catalog neza galake mugarukire
so numbasaka kamujiriye
obwanyuma so it is one of the saddening moments was you see children of the lates
bari abantu bamaye
akugira ngo onayaze mukayimba cafe
kandi atine
konka atine
kote takamuhura
takubasa kumuhura last time I think one of the saddest stories I've ever had is this man I think it was called Kasiukira something like that ogunwe abire nagura byeshongolo byabaka million kosha aka million na rwala konka tulion tumushi abantu baliomba mu supporting konka ine catalog ine byeshongolo byamani tuyobuza ngo byeshongolo ebi mshija kaine byeshongolo binji kayakozere sete konka senta tazine catalog kajiguza konka atiteka ndigira ngo after obwiro obwe 20 years no mugarukira konka ine kiba kweta retrospectively kamishana kanka shobore ngwiteka tiri kubasa kugaruka nyuma
hata benyuma
abenyuma umwama akozere ndagano umuruguze ibintu byanyu tiri kuba protecting konka ebisyebi
abahati kutandika n'oburati
kutandika n'oburati umukora abo mbaba protected kandi kindi bambikamba habule ngwano za kukola endagano woine waka yawe at least jendo waloya akwabule because everything revolves around the law yes
Kanso watwara kurunje munonga kwa kubone buno ile kibuzo I'm going to give you an opportunity to share your number. I rarely do this umuntu asakwa yenda kuyashoborocherwa please give your number.
Kale number yanje ni 0775 672258 umunyankole ni note mushanju 5 nkaga na mushanju 22 5 na 8 ni Kolana Butagira and Company Advocates to their high street.
All right, thank you so much. We are going to tweet. Actually, we have overshot by about 3 minutes. Okay, bari kugumana itwe. Kora audio muntu beno kora TikTok hatubitere mu cyumamani. Ureke kutwereza ibi substandard. Kure ikintu cyo ndibunonga omanyengu no basa kukiryaho mukazi wawe bakiryaho abana bawe bakiryaho nakora bataru bije kuru bawe bakiryaho tubeneze kiro kirungi mare kurungi. Bye.